Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of food in California. From iconic dishes to hidden gems, California is a food lover's paradise. Whether you're a local or planning a trip to the Golden State, this video is your ultimate guide to the best eats California has to offer. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's explore the mouth-watering flavors of California together. California is not just about stunning beaches, Hollywood, and tech giants. It's also a food destination like no other. With its diverse culture, fresh ingredients, and innovative chefs, California offers a unique culinary experience that reflects its vibrant lifestyle. In this article, we'll take you on a journey through the must-try foods and food spots in California, perfect for anyone who loves to travel and eat. California's iconic dishes. California is home to some iconic dishes that you simply can't miss. California. Burrito. Originating from San Diego, this burrito is stuffed with carne asada, French fries, cheese, and guacamole. It's a hearty meal that's perfect for foodies on the go. In-N-Out Burger, a classic fast food joint that's become a symbol of California. Don't forget to try their secret menu, avocado toast. California's love for avocados is legendary. This simple yet delicious dish is a staple in cafes across the state. Fish tacos. Fresh, flavorful, and often served with a tangy slaw. Fish tacos are a must-try, especially in coastal cities like San Diego and Santa Barbara. Farm-to-table culture. California is known for its farm-to-table movement, emphasizing fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Cities like Napa Valley, Sonoma, and Santa Cruz are famous for their farmers markets and organic produce. If you're a fan of healthy, wholesome food, you'll love exploring California's farm-to-table restaurants. Ethnic food diversity. Thanks to its multicultural population, California offers a wide variety of ethnic cuisines. Mexican food. From street tacos to gourmet Mexican restaurants, California's Mexican food scene is unbeatable. Asian fusion. In cities like San Francisco and Los Angeles, you'll find incredible Asian fusion dishes that blend flavors from Japan, China, Korea, and Vietnam. Mediterranean cuisine. With its fresh salads, grilled meats, and flavorful dips, Mediterranean food is a favorite among Californians. Foodie cities to explore. Los Angeles. LA is a melting pot of flavors. Don't miss the food trucks, trendy cafes, and world-class restaurants. San Francisco. Known for its sourdough bread and seafood, San Francisco is a food lover's dream. San Diego. Famous for its Mexican food and craft beer scene, San Diego is a must-visit for foodies. Napa Valley. If you're a wine enthusiast, Napa Valley offers exquisite wine and food pairings, desserts, and sweet treats. California is also a paradise for dessert lovers. Churros. Crispy, sugary, and often served with chocolate dipping sauce, churros are a favorite at fairs and food trucks. Ice. Cream sandwiches. Made with fresh cookies and artisanal ice cream, these treats are perfect for a sunny California day. Fruit stands. California's fruit stands offer the juiciest strawberries, oranges, and peaches. Tips for food travelers. Try local specialties. Each city in California has its own unique dishes, so be sure to ask locals for recommendations. Visit farmers markets. They're a great way to taste fresh produce and support local farmers. Stay hydrated. California's sunny weather calls for plenty of water, especially if you're exploring on foot. And that's a wrap on our culinary journey through California. Whether you're craving a classic In-N-Out burger, fresh seafood, or gourmet farm-to-table dishes, California has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel and food adventures. Let me know in the comments what your favorite California dish is. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy eating and safe travels.